Hi, welcome to Sohaila Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you one of my secret recipes, and that is chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are dangerously delicious. They have nuts, they have of course chocolate chips in them. Very, very delicious. And of course we're gonna make this from scratch, and I have made this for many years, and every time I make them, my family and friends love them. So if you're interested to watch, please keep on watching, and I'll be back and show you how to make these delicious chocolate chip cookies. Thank you for joining me today. Hi, welcome back. Here they are. Our chocolate chip cookies look fabulous. One thing that I wanted to mention, when you make the dough, you can make them into ball shapes, and then leave them in the fridge for about 20 minutes, and then you can just throw them in a Ziploc and put them in the freezer. You can keep them up to 6 months, and every time you would like to make chocolate chip cookies, they are ready, and you just take them out of the freezer and throw them in the oven, just as it is frozen. So just wanted to mention that to you. The chocolate chip cookies, as I mentioned, look very attractive. So I'm gonna taste one for you guys, and I'll let you know how it is. Very chewy, crunchy, soft in the inside, The nuts make it very crunchy and delicious. I like the dark chocolate in them. Tastes really good. You can put the regular chocolate chips, whatever you prefer, whatever your family prefer. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please leave comments down below if you have any comments or suggestions, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you, and I love you all. Goodbye.